Sometimes your strength emerges from your sadness. That's the origin story of my movement practice, a creation born from life's inevitable heartaches. But these days it's an expression of joy, a celebration of overcoming pains and sadness. Life has ups and downs, and when sadness strikes, this practice is my anchor. So let me just introduce myself in case you don't know me already. Hi, I'm Lisa, and I welcome you, fellow mover. These days, I'm a self-proclaimed movement coach, living and playing in beautiful Costa Rica. But prior to this, I lived 20 years in New York as a fitness trainer and rehab specialist. Although I'm dedicated to strength and mobility training, I often find it incredibly important to spend time just moving my body to feel good, sometimes even looking silly along the way, but moving from my heart in such a way that I feel my body is able to take me where my heart wants to go. Truth be told, my life in the 2010 decade was a pretty challenging one for me. I was seeing my life go in a direction I was not expecting, and it was hard to accept. I was alone and twice divorced, and I was stuck living in a city where I felt suffocated by stress, consumerism, and all the things that didn't really matter to me. But it was really when my dad ended his time with us here on Earth in 2018 that the pain of grief and guilt consumed me, and I had to find an outlet for it. This is when my physical practice started shifting from exercise and skill-based training to something much more visceral and healing, soothing for my nervous system. I didn't even know what I was really doing. I just started craving it as a way to process the pain that was consuming my mind and body. I had no name for the practice and no more teachers or coaches to tell me what to do. It was just my body, and it knew exactly what to do, to move these emotions through me and prevent them from getting stagnant and trapped in my body where they could fester long term and really wreak havoc. Luckily for me, I had spent the latter half of this difficult decade learning from exceptional movement leaders, so I knew all the moves. But suddenly they took on a new meaning for me and became an essential tool for my healing. And these days, this practice has taken me so far to the other end of the spectrum. Now that deep sadness that gave birth to this practice is mostly replaced with strength and joy. But there are times when sadness creeps in all of our lives. And this somatic practice, it actually does have a name, I found out, is a tool to help us turn the sadness into our strength. So on Giving Tuesday, November the 28th, I will be sharing a little bit of this practice with you in a free online workshop. Please join me and other fellow movers as we learn the 4 simple somatic techniques that can help you transform your sadness to strength. Giving Tuesday is a great day for us to be the change that you wish to see in the world, as Mahatma Gandhi said. So mark your calendar for Tuesday, November 28th. To register for the free online workshop, check the link in the descriptions box down below. And until we move together again, keep moving naturally for life.